Hi guys! For tonight's video ay susubukan natin ng Route 95 Diner dito sa May Tagaytay. So beside Cityland lang siya. So na-hype nga pala itong restaurant na to because of their unlimited ribs, steak, and chicken. So itatry natin later kung totoo ba ang cheese. So ganito lang kalaki yung kabuoang restaurant. May second floor sila and ikot ko lang kayo. Tignan natin yung kanilang menu. Yan, ito yung kanilang $7.99 eat all you can, unlimited ribs, steak, and chicken. So may kasama na itong 1 serving ng soup at saka 1 glass of iced tea. But if you want unlimited iced tea, mag-add ka lang ng 100. So may mga iba pa silang menu like this breakfast menu pero hindi siya available tonight. And yung mga appetizer nila, which is ito yung mga price. Bukod nga pala dun sa Unli, trinay din namin yung kanilang truffle pasta. And pakita ko mamaya yung itsura. Ito pa yung iba nilang mga a la carte menu. So for the a la carte ribs, it's already $6.40. So I think $7.99 ay sulit na for the unlimited kung mahilig ka sa ribs. Yan, ito pa yung kanilang mga beverages and desserts. After a few minutes, dumating na yung aming mga soup. So, one time serving nga pala ito at aming mga side dish. Bali for this, I ordered coleslaw and corn for my side dish. May kasama ng mashed potato and beans yung platter nila. So, ayan. Ayan yung itsura ng soup and coleslaw servings. And dumating na rin yung aming truffle pasta. Ayan yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung kanilang review dun sa truffle pasta. Yung mga local version. Sarap. So ayan, dumating na nga yung aming platter. At ito yung itsura nung kanilang unlimited platter. And dyan na rin yung mga side dish ko. So may kasamang quarter leg, ribs, and sausage. Ayan. So nag-unli kaming lahat. Kala mo malalakas kumain, no? Ayan. Dumating na rin yung kanilang 1 serving of iced tea. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung aftermath ng aming dinner for tonight. Sobrang ang daming natira, guys. So food-wise, we rate this in an average of 7/10. Masarap yung Salisbury steak, yung mga side dish, mabilis yung service. Yung ribs is masarap din, kaya lang medyo nakakaumay since matamis siya. The chicken can be improved since medyo wala siyang lasa. But yung service, napaka-okay yung service dito, mabilis. And besides that, okay naman siya. Okay, so that's our Route 95 dining experience. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.